In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble the commercial grade shelving that's sold at Costco. This is a very strong and movable storage rack. I'm going to show you how to assemble it a little bit differently than the instructions call for. The way that I'm going to show you, I've figured out is a little bit easier for me, and it allows me to easily space out the shelving as I need it. You don't need a rubber mallet to assemble this, but I've found that it allows me to give it a little bit firmer set when I'm placing the shelving onto the sleeves. After you have everything unpacked, place one of the shelves onto either the box that you pulled everything out of, or in this case, we've just got another box that we had lying around the house. Take one of the poles marked A, and how you can tell it's an A is if it doesn't already have the packaging on it, it'll have a small hole there and then a big hole up here. Take the pole and set it through and put one of the casters on. Do this over here as well. When you have two of these poles installed, take your tapered sleeve and put them, you don't want to put them on this low, you want to put them so there's two little ridges. If you can see, there's two ridges, and you want to match up with those two lines. And you want to have the taper facing up. When you've done that, pick up the poles and kind of pull them up a little bit, set it down. Poles go in, casters go on. Pick them up, kick out the box, and now take a rubber mallet or whatever, your foot, and set the sleeves. To set the height of the next shelves, I'm going to be using these tubs as my reference point. On this bottom shelf, we're going to be using these. So let's get those other guys out of the way. And you're going to want to keep in mind what you're going to be storing on the shelves, how you want to space the shelves as well. Now that you have the sleeves on, you can take the next shelf and set it on. You've got all four set. Go ahead and pop it with your rubber mallet. Now that you have the base built, you need to take these little fittings and screw them into the tops of the A poles and then mount the B poles on top of those. With the next set of poles on, just go through and add the shelves like you did on the bottom.